Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. The ChatGPT AI bot has been getting a lot of buzz about how awesome it is, but is it really a good way to make money online? In this video, we're going to show you 3 different ways to earn money online using this free bot. We're going to be honest, sometimes it's nice to have some time free at work even though I've never been opposed to hard work. I think it's the best thing you can do. Music. This free virtual assistant can help you earn some extra money online and do a lot of different things for you. So buckle up and let's take a look at 3 ways to earn money with ChatGPT. So the brand new AI bot, ChatGPT, is the one that everyone is talking about and how it can help you with everything. You can use it to write emails for you, do your homework, do assignments, etc. There are many different things you can do with him, and he can even answer any kind of question you have. We won't cover that kind of stuff today since if you're here, you're interested in making money online. The first way is to learn how to cook with what you have left in the fridge. It will help you devise a fitness program tailored to your needs, or diet and so on. The website Naming Force, in other words, namingforce.com, is a platform used by startups and companies to come up with business name ideas. They will run a contest where they'll pay $300 for the best name submitted, and you only have to submit different names. If your idea is accepted, there will be hundreds of dollars in prize money just for completing those contests. If you go to the contest section, you can also see the people who have already won these contests, $500 per name, $200, $100 and so forth. You can view the winners on their website here, and you'll see that they are all making hundreds of dollars and $550 just for submitting one name. If you want to participate and find name ideas, you can simply ask GPT. For example, they need a name for a clothing store. You can simply ask, can you please give me a list of names for a clothing store? Then it will list a few names that you can choose from, and then you can select the best one that this AI bot comes up with, and you can send it back to Naming Force and potentially make hundreds of dollars for it. So as you can see, it works really well. Here are some ideas for clothing store names: Chic Boutique, The Clothing Company, Threads and Stripes, Dressed Up, Fashion Forward. Yeah, that's a good list of 10. But there are some really good names you can think of for any business listed on Nameforce and get paid hundreds of dollars for each one. Secondly, if you're a student and you'd like to make money online, you can write assignments using artificial intelligence, which I mentioned earlier. So instead of doing your own homework, you could use it to make money. But let's see how we can use it to make money. I wish I had that back then. Studypool.com is a platform for students to use when they need help with their homework. If they do not feel like doing it themselves, they can either pay me or you to complete their homework or to do their assignment for them. You can make up to $5,500 a month doing this. You can tutor other students and help them with their homework at studypool.com by clicking on the tutor page, and you will see that you can do this from home. Let's say that some of those students had an assignment regarding René Descartes. When that happens, you can ask Chat to write an assignment on the subject, and then it will be done, and you can fill it out by giving more and more details about what you want in the assignment. Below you can find an example of an assignment that you can submit to the study pool. Based on the amount that the student pays you, you'll see that this is a very high quality piece of content. If you're not sure of the result, you can also make a quick check on the internet to make sure all the information is right. We saw that ChatGPT is actually really good at creating high quality content that you can then distribute back to the study pool and earn money from. Another way to earn money with AI is to use this AI bot to create faceless YouTube automation videos, and to create YouTube videos generally for the purpose of earning money online. You can monetize your YouTube channel either with or without affiliate marketing, by promoting your own products or advertising on YouTube. It doesn't matter what it might be, as you can see. For example, these channels make more than $10,000 every month, yet they never even show their faces, ever. ChatGPT is able to write different YouTube scripts for you. For example, you can ask him to write a video about 5 facts about cats. All you need to do is tell it what type of video you want to see and it'll write it for you. It'll write the script, and, once again, the more details you provide, the better the outcome. If you're recording the video yourself, it can either provide you with a bullet point outline, or it can provide you with a full script. As you may already know, YouTube rarely monetizes videos that are made with the AI voice of an AI bot, so you can hire a voiceover artist to read and then add it to your video. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and I'll see you next time. I hope you learned something new and found some value.